This video app review is brought to you by the iPhone appreview.com.
Hey guys, so this is Valerie Lauer with the iPhone appreview.com. I'm here to do a video review of an awesome app called Print to PDF that we were reviewing this week here at the iPhone appreview.com. Let me go ahead and launch that, and I will walk you through this awesome application. Now this app is a utility that I am super fond of. I didn't think that I would like it quite as much as I do, so I'm going to have an awesome time showing this to you, and you're really going to love it. So what this app does is it interfaces with Safari browser as well as your native email provider on your iOS device, and additionally to that, to any application that interfaces with the AirPrint functionality. So if any app has an AirPrint option, it'll work with this application. And what it lets you do is it lets you save emails, web pages, or other files as PDFs saved securely on your device, which makes them really easy to access. This is a super practical application and a great utility, which I'm quite fond of. So when you first bring up the application, I have it running right now on the iPad rather. It does interface with the iPhone and the iPod Touch. Make sure you have iOS version 4.2 or greater. It will not work with older devices. That's all that really means. When you launch the application, there's an awesome little welcome page, and what that has for you is it has some tutorials. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to print an email, or saving an email to PDF, and as you see, it has great screenshots. This is super clear, super easy, and even breaking it down as simple as they possibly could, it's only 4 steps. So not only is the app really useful, it's also extremely user-friendly and very easy to use. Back on the, you can always tap anytime here on the to see how it works page to get back to the help menu, into those tutorials. There's another one here for how to save a web page to PDF. And the same thing, really great little simple steps, no brainer there, and we'll go through that here in just a minute. Let me go ahead and go back. And then here on the side, we'll come back to this once we've actually saved something from the device, but all we're looking for is where it says printer ready with a check mark. If you see that, literally that's all you have to see, and the app is good to go and set up. There's also a help functionality page here. There's also an about button you can click on. There's options to tell people about it, to go over the announcements, to rate it, to contact them. Everything real simple and easy to get to, obviously, which is really awesome. So what I'm going to do is show you in Safari first how to save to PDF. So when you pull up a web page, you have this action button. You tap on action, you select print, and then under select printer, you choose print to PDF. And this is my iPad. One copy is fine unless you want to save multiples, and you tap on print, and that actually does what it's doing right now. It's preparing, print to PDF, and that's it. You actually get a notification that it has been saved to PDF. You can either close it or you can tap on view, and that actually takes you right to the application to where this is now a saved PDF file instead of being a web page. So if you ever are in an area where the connection isn't good, if you're outside of your coverage area, if you don't have a Wi-Fi connection, you can save important files and documents and web pages here and always have access to them, which is really amazing. A couple different things you can do. You can see a plain text version. This is the help button. If you tap the alphabet button right there. So what that does is it puts it just really more simply. You want to take out the pictures and see what the page has on it. That's one great way to do it. There's also an option, forgive me for tapping the wrong button again. There's also an option to email it, to rename it, or to open it in a different program. You can open it, say in Dropbox if you want to, and see if you want to save it there. So really awesome, and again, really simple user interface. Once you have them here, they're your file, you can do whatever you want to with it. And over here on the side, if you see where it says saved web pages, now it's going to have your PDF file there. So really great. If you ever want to delete them, change them, you tap this icon right here. You can delete that, or you can move it. I love customization options in apps, especially when they're utilities, so that gives you an option to move it to different folders if you want to, which is great. We're going to go back out and we're going to look at one more thing, which is that email interface. So here's an email that I have sent myself, so we can show you how this works. Again, you're going to tap the action, you're going to choose print, You're going to make sure that the default printer is set to print to PDF with your name of your iPad or iPod or iPhone. You're going to tap print. You're going to give that a couple of seconds. Now it's done. And again, you don't have to go to view. You can close. You can go back to the main screen. You can launch the app. And here where it says saved emails, that is where it will be. And it will also, every time you go back to the application after saving something, it does automatically show you that most recently saved file. So super, super easy and great to use. Now, other prints down here is empty for us right now. That would be, again, any other application that interfaces with AirPrint would be able to have them. They'll go here, and again, you can move them around however you want to. That's a real quick look at Print to PDF iPhone app. Again, this has been an awesome application. I would definitely suggest downloading it and using it. It does cost $3.99, which again, for a really useful application is not a problem. I will take that all day, any day, over spending a lot of time and effort getting files moved around, which I've had to do myself before, and I know is very, very annoying. So again, this has been Valerie Lauer with the iPhoneAppReview.com. Our official word on this is 5 out of 5 stars. This app is a home run, no-brainer. Definitely go ahead and get this if you have need for an app. Again, Valerie Lauer with the iPhoneAppReview.com signing off.